Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 2 Maths. I am your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Today I am going to teach you Chapter 7, Kanha's Home, Measurement. This is the story of a boy named Kanha, whose elder brother is coming from the US, and all family members are doing preparation to welcome him. Let us see their conversation.
Mama, I have observed that you did not use the measuring cup to measure the flour for the matri dough and kneaded it.
Yes, as we have experienced doing it since childhood, without any measurement scale. See, your Bua has also made a beautiful toran by measuring her arm. And your Dadi is knitting the sweater by measuring her handspan.
Mama, these are all measurements, recalling to me the terms of non-standard units.
Non-standard units of measuring lengths.
Ma'am, how can we measure the length of objects?
There are two different ways to measure the length of objects. Let us learn the first way, which is non-standard. Non-standard units for measuring lengths are digit, footspan, handspan, cubit, and stride of pace. Kanha, measure the length of this table by your handspan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means the table is 8 handspan long.
If I measure the same table's length, its measurement will be different as your and my handspans are not the same. Students, we can measure eraser, sharpener, or other small things with the help of our finger width. If we want to measure the length of a room, using a pace measurement will be the best for this. If we want to measure the length of a tile, we can measure it by a footspan. And if we want to measure the size of a softboard, we can measure it by our cubit. Means, बहुत small objects जैसे कि sharpener और eraser के लिए finger width, small items जैसे कि softboard के लिए cubit और laptop के लिए handspan और floor measurement के लिए pace और tile measurement के लिए footspan use करते हैं. These units are called non-standard because they do not provide an accurate result. They differ from person to person. Standard units of length.
Ma'am, what are the standard units of length?
The units that provide the correct measurements are called standard units of length. We measure length in meters and centimeters. We can measure the lengths of small things with the help of a ruler. Remember, students, short things are measured in centimeters and long things are measured in meters. Some standard units for measuring height are rulers and measuring tape.
Can we find the height of this boy?
The height of the boy is 100 centimeter. We can measure the door, almirah, clothes with the inch tape and crayon, toothbrush, cinnamon stick, etc. with the ruler. बच्चों, आप भी क्लास में अपने क्लासमेट्स की हाइट को इंच टेप से मेजर कर सकते हो. साथ ही पेंसिल, क्रेयॉन्स के लिए रूलर का यूज कर सकते हैं. Measurement of weight. Students, let us learn to measure weight using grams and kilograms. Weight is how heavy something is. We measure weight using units called grams and kilograms. See the different weighing machine, weighing balance and weights. It helps us measure how heavy things are. Let us see how we measure the weight of different objects using grams and kilograms. Here is a packet of chips. It is very light. It shows the weight in grams. Now, let us measure this heavier rice bag. Wow! This rice bag is heavier than the chips. Since it is heavier, we measure its weight in kilograms. Other things, vegetables, fruits, and grocery items are also being measured in grams and kilograms. Appy, क्या तुमने कभी मॉल या मार्केट में वेइंग बैलेंस को ऑब्जर्व किया है? क्या सबके पास एक जैसे वेइंग बैलेंस होते हैं?
नहीं।
Measurement of capacity. Students, today we are going to learn about capacity. Capacity means how much a measuring beaker can hold. See, this bigger beaker can hold a lot of liquid and this smaller beaker can hold less. We measure capacity in liters and milliliters. It helps us measure liquids. Let us see some examples. We have milk here in 2 different containers. Let us measure both containers of milk one by one by measuring beakers. Let us start with this bigger container of milk. See on the mark, the milk is up to the mark of 1 liter, which means we have 1 liter of milk. Now let us measure the other container of milk. Here we have 500 milliliters of milk. Other things that are in liquid form like ghee, oil, honey, eye drop, water and syrups, etc. are also measured in liters or milliliters. बच्चों, क्या आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है? सिरप, आई ड्रॉप हमेशा मिलीलीटर में ही आते हैं क्योंकि इन सब को कम क्वांटिटी में ही यूज किया जाता है और एडिबल ऑयल, घी लीटर्स में आते हैं क्योंकि इनका यूज ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में होता है. Remember, students, liters are for larger amounts and milliliters are for smaller amounts. Students, in this chapter, you have learned about non-standard units of measuring length, measurement of length, meter and centimeter, measurement of weight, kilogram and gram, and measurement of capacity, liter and milliliter. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.